I bet you didn't know one bird could put on a show like this? Get ready to meet the king of the sagebrush stage. So, what makes the greater sage grouse so legendary? Every spring, the males gather before dawn for a wild dance-off called lekking. They puff up their chests, fan out their spiky tail feathers, and inflate these crazy yellow air sacs that pop with every move. It's like nature's own dance floor, and the stakes? Only the smoothest dancer gets the girl. Their moves aren't just for fun, it's how they survive and keep their species going. These birds are icons of North America's sagebrush, but their home is shrinking fast. Witnessing their show is rare and unforgettable. Hit like if you love seeing nature at its wildest.